So just a little plant update. The squirrels done ate my plant, like the whole thing. All that's left are these little flowers. I'm so sad. So now I've got another pot with nothing in it. Look at it. Look at it hanging right there. Look at it. Oh, and I also found out that this is Pegonia. That is Petunia. I don't know if I said that in the other one, but yeah, just wanted to give you a little bit a plant update because I haven't uploaded my video yet. I repotted this one, so I'm hoping that one's gonna look really good. And I put a little more topsoil on my rosemary because it felt like it needed a little more protection. And then the ivy that I have growing inside, I also gave it some new topsoil. So we'll see how that goes. And it's gonna thunderstorm and I put out my rain jar. Again, I'm not sure what that is. I can't remember what I planted. Basil's either there or there. And then look at my sunflowers, y'all. Look at them. Yes, I'm so excited. No daisies. There's a bug in my lavender. Yeah, I was excited. Holy shit, you guys. Okay, so I haven't done like a really updated tour yet because I planted some more things since my last kind of update. But I planted more corn in this pot, and this morning these were not here. They have sprouted up throughout the day. It's amazing. Okay, so that's my corn, and then look at my sunflowers, y'all. Hold on. Look at my sunflowers. Oh, I'm so excited. They look so good. You don't even know. But yeah, look, I went and put some stuff in the garbage, and then I came back here and I was like, what? There's green stuff popping up. Oh my god, they look so good. I love it. Okay, anyway. Updated tour coming soon.